Hello, not hello, but hello. Welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So I know it has been a long time that I don't upload any videos, but I was traveling and I got ill. So now everything is okay, and I prepared a nice video for you. So in this video, we are going to read a conversation between two friends. So I will try to explain you some things for past tense, and here, like in the conversation, you will see the daily language. So how do we say like goodbye? How do we ask someone's situation? So we will see. So if you are ready, let's start. So our people are two girls, Besna and Sozdar. So now I will read step by step and you will try to follow, okay? So, Besna. Hello. Sozdar. Hello. Besna. So, be careful. When we open a phone in Kurmanji, we first say hello. Hello. Okay. So, Besna. Çavayı Sozdar. Çeheye çütünneye. Sozdar. Mala teava. Nehrabım. Tu çavayı. Besna. Ez başım. Mala teava. Tu îro nehatî dibistanê. Min merak kir. Tu başî? Sozdar. Doh biçekî nexweş ketim. Ji ber wê nehatim dibistanê. We îro çi kir? Ders çawa bûn? Besna. Baş bûn. Weke her tim gelekî mijûl û zehmet bûn. Sozdar. Erê, rast e. Îro gelek ders hebûn. Besna. Tu çûyî doktor? Sozdar. Erê. Diya min ez birim. Doktor derman dane min. Besna. Gelekî baş e. İnşallah tu yê sibê werî dibistanê. Sozdar. Erê, min bêriya we kir. Ez ê bêm. Besna. Temam. De bi xatirê te. Sozdar. Oğir be. So now I will read one more time, but so I will be Besna and you will be Sozdar, okay? So I will read and wait. I will wait for a second and you will read, okay? So, hello. Çavayı Sozdar. Çi heye çi tuneye? Ez başım. Mala teava. Tu îro nehatî dibistanê. Min merak kir. Tu başî? Baş bûn. Weke her tim gelekî mijûl û zehmet bûn. Tu çûyî doktor? Sozdar. Gelekî baş e. İnşallah tu yê sibê werî dibistanê. Tamam. De bi xatirê te. Perfect. I know you read it perfectly. So now I will try to explain you several things, okay? So here you see at the right side our dialogues and the left side some explanations. So Çavayı Sozdar, you know. So you see, so when we speak in our daily life, we drop tu, okay? We say Çavayı, Başi. So not tu çav. You can say tu çava. It is totally fine. Just you can say Çavayı without tu, okay? Çi heye çi tuneye. It's a very nice expression. So it means what's new? How are the things with you? Or what is in the bag? Çi heye çi tuneye. Like what there is and what there isn't. Okay? Çi heye çi tuneye. Like what do you do? And Sozdar says mala teava. It's a very nice way to say thank you. And as an answer, you can say malate avatar. You are welcome. I thank you. Okay? Malate avatar. It's very nice. Of course, you can say spas khosh, but malate ava and the response malate avatar sounds perfect. So, malate avatar says Besna, and Besna says tu îro nehatî dibistanê. You today didn't come to the school. Min merak kir. I was wondering, like I wondered, I was curious about you. So merak kırın, to wonder. Değil mi? To bashi, are you okay? Sözler says, Doh bıçeki nahoş ketim. Yesterday I fell sick a little bit. So you see, even you don't need to say as bıçeki nahoş ketim, because your verb shows ketim, it's for me, okay? I mean, you can just like admit it, okay? Doh as bıçeki nahoş ketim or doh bıçeki nahoş ketim, they are the same. Jiberwe, that's why. Nahatim debistane, that's why I didn't come to school. So jiberwe, it is just when you show the reason, okay? Iru hawa hoshbu, today the weather was nice. Jiberwe as derkatim, that's why I went outside. Iru mehvanin minhabun, jiberwe min kharin checker. Today I had guests, that's why I prepared food. Okay, these kind of sentences. And Sözler says, What iro chicker? What did you do today? Ders çavabun. How were the lessons? Ders çavabun. Besna says, Başbun. They were good. Wakahartum, as always. Wakahartum. Gallaki mujul uzahmet bun. Wakahartum gallaki mujul uzahmet bun. Like, as always, they were busy and hard. Sözler says, Are, Rasta, yes, that's correct, yeah, that's true. Iro gellek ders habun. There were many lessons today. Iro gellek ders habun. There were many lessons today. Besna says, Tu çuyi doktor, Sözdar. Did you go to the doctor, Sözdar? Did you go to çuyi? Sözdar says, Are, yes, diyamın ezbirim. So, be careful, this one is with a transitive verb, and that's why there is ergativity, and it says, my mom took me, and that's why your verb birim is for as. You see, diyamın as birim. My mom took me. And it says, Doktor derman danemin. And doktor has given me like medicines. Okay? Danemin. Derman, yeah, it is medicine. Okay? Besna, gelleki başı, that's really good. Inshallah, hopefully, inshallah, tuye sibe wari dibistane, hopefully, you will come to the school tomorrow. Tuye sibe wari dibistane. Sözler, yeah. Min berya wekir, I missed you. Min berya wekir, I missed you. Azebem, I will come. Besna says, okay, then paka goodbye. And Sözdar says, oğurbe, like goodbye. So you see, when we say goodbye, so the one who leaves has to say b'khatrete. And as a response, you need to say oğurbe. Okay? B'khatrete, oğurbe. Okay? So be careful. So now I think everything like became more clear. Now we will read it once more, okay? So I will read and you will listen. Hello, Besna. Çavayı Sözdar, çaheye çütüneye. Az başım mala tava. Wait. Okay. Hello, Besna. Çavayı Sözdar, çaheye çütüneye. Mala teava, nahrabım, not bad. Tu çavayı, az başım, mala te avatır. Tu iru nahati dibistane, min merah kır, tu bashi. Doh bıçeki nahoş ketim, jiber ve nahatim dibistane, ve iru çıkır, ders çavabun, baş bun, ve kahertim, gelleki mjul u zahmet bun, are raste. İro gellek ders hebun. Tu çuyi doktor, Sözdar, are diyamın ezbirim. Doktor, derman danemin. Gelleki başe, inşallah tuye sibe wari dibistane. Are, min beriya vakir, azebe ma he will come. Tamam, b'khatrete, oğurbe. So, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed a lot and you learned many things. So just try to read it like several times, check sentences, how we write them, how we use the language. It's really important to see how native speakers use the language, right? So thank you so much. And as French people say, au revoir. Au revoir.